How to unlock Cash App Borrow. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to unlock Cash App Borrow. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device and make sure you are signed in. If not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. You will then be led to the home page of Cash App. Now, in order to unlock the Cash App Borrow, go ahead and tap on the bank button on the bottom left of your screen. Make sure that borrowing options may vary based on your account activity, credit history, and Cash App usage. Regularly using Cash App for transactions and maintaining a good account standing increases your chances. Now, scroll down to move your Ways to Add Money tab. You will be able to see the Borrow option on the banking section. Tap on that if the Borrow option is available for you and follow the on-screen prompts further to set up your borrowing amount and repayment terms. Further, carefully read through the terms and conditions before confirming. If you don't see the option, you might not be eligible at the moment. Keep using the app actively and check back periodically as eligibility can change over time. So, this is how you can unlock Cash App Borrow. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.